Changing the subject of an equation. The subject of an equation should be alone on the left-hand side. In the example below, a is a subject because a equals something. If we want to make x the subject, we need to get x on its own, on the left-hand side.
Getting x to the left-hand side is easy. Just spin the equation. From there on, it's just a matter of fixing the x term.
Get the x term by itself by subtracting 5. Then divide by 4 to make x the subject. So x equals a minus 5 divided by 4.
Let's try some examples.
Look at the equation below. Example 1. A equals 4b. Make b the subject of the equation. The problem is b is multiplied by 4. The solution, do the inverse. Divide by 4. Remember to do this to both sides. This leaves b alone on the right-hand side, so spin the whole equation around and our answer is b equals a divided by 4. Example 2. A equals 27 minus b. The problem is b is subtracted from 27. The solution, do the inverse. Add b to both sides. Now subtract a from both sides to get b alone on the left-hand side. So our answer is b equals 27 minus a. Here is another way to do this. The problem is b is negative and 27 is added. The solution, do the inverse. Subtract 27 from both sides. Now b is alone, but it's negative, so multiply both sides by negative 1. A becomes negative a, negative 27 becomes positive 27, and negative b becomes positive b. So b equals 27 minus a. These two different methods require different operations and skills, so you can decide which one is easier for you. Example 3. A over 5 equals b over 6. The problem is b is divided by 6, so the solution, do the inverse and multiply both sides by 6. And the answer is b equals 6a divided by 5. Example 4. A over 5 equals 6 over b. The problem is b is the denominator. The solution, do the inverse. The right-hand side is divided by b, so multiply both sides by b. Next, the left-hand side is multiplied by a, so divide both sides by a. Finally, the left-hand side is divided by 5, so multiply both sides by 5. On the right-hand side, we have 6 multiplied by 5, which is 30, so b is equal to 30 divided by a. And here is another way to do this. The problem is b is the denominator. The solution, do the inverse. Invert both sides to make b the numerator. Now the right-hand side is divided by 6, multiply both sides by 6. Now b is alone on the right-hand side, 5 sixes are 30, so b equals 30 divided by a.